Welcome to Fairfield City Open Libraries Yarn Bookmark tutorial. Gather the materials, yarn of any color, straws, tape and scissors. Tape 3 straws together at one end. Take your yarn and hold it at the taped end. Then weave it over the first straw, under the second and over the third. Then loop back around, going over the middle and under the first. Keep repeating this pattern till you reach the end of your straws. You can change the color of the yarn by cutting off the thread and tying a new color to be woven in, or you can use multicolored yarn. Then cut 3 pieces of yarn of the same length. They can be the same color. Thread each piece through each straw. Secure the end without the tape by tying pairs of yarn together. Slide off your work at the non-taped end where it was tied off. Once the yarn is off the straws, tie the other end the same way to finish. Trim the excess yarn off with scissors. Thank you for watching our tutorial.